What's up you guys, it's Aisling and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spring makeup look. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. I got sent a beautiful package from Bare Minerals with some spring makeup in it, and I just thought I might incorporate some of the products into the video today. I have no idea actually what I'm going to be doing, but I just feel like doing something light and fresh. I know an awful lot of you guys want to see like my everyday makeup routine, which I wore in my March hits and misses video, and I will be doing that as well soon, so stay tuned for that. But right now I want to do like a more spring fresh makeup look. I'm gonna start off today's makeup look by filling in my brows, and I'm taking the Precisely My Brow. Look, it's getting really dark now. I don't know, yesterday was an overcast day, perfect for filming. Yeah, and I should have done it yesterday. Oh well, we're doing it today. Hopefully the sun won't be too much of an issue. Natural lighting problems. I'm just brushing the product through. So I need to get my brows done, so I may go to the brow bar at some stage this week. It's been maybe 4 months since I got them done, so they've no shape whatsoever. What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to take, oh Lord, I'm going to take the Ready Set Brow and I'm just going to apply that through my brows to set them all in place. Be careful when you are applying this product. Sometimes I apply way too much and then my eyebrows are like stuck to my face. Okay, so next up I am going to take the Cinema Secrets, and I'm just going to take the shade here and this shade here, and I'm just going to fill in around my brows. Just going to fill around my brows. Again, you guys have seen this in a more in-depth video. And then just kind of blend the product up. Gives a little bit more shape to my upper brow and just kind of cleans up any mess. Again, Cinema Secrets palette, I'm taking this lightest shade on the bottom or the end, and I'm just going to put that on the under part of my brow. And that is my brows done. I'm going to apply primer. I'm using this new one from Stila. This is the Sheer Illuminate primer, and I just thought this looked so pretty, guys. Look at the bottle of that. Isn't it so pretty? Cloud 10 sent it out to me, so I want to say a huge thank you to them for sending it out. It looks like that on the inside. Oh my god, this looks divine. So I'm just going to apply a bit of that across my cheeks. Move my hair out of the way and apply it just in between my brows. I'm gonna blend all that in with my fingers. Oh my god, this is super soft on my skin. I feel like this has a slight fragrance to it, but I can't pinpoint what it is. It's not overpowering in any way, shape or form. So I'm going to take the PS My Perfect Colour Glow Foundation, and I'm going to apply this. You don't need lots of this foundation. I actually find this foundation is quite full coverage. I'm just going to take a flat brush, which is the F60 from Sigma, and I'm just going to apply this to my face by doing like downward stroke. I have the most mankiest spot over my lip. It's coming up to my time of the month, but that's not leaving a place where we get hormonal breakouts. I don't know why I have it. It's gross. Just apply a thin layer of that onto my face, and then I just go in with my beauty blender and blend the life out of it. So we just really want to make this almost seem invisible on my skin. I find it's really weird for me to be saying like light coverage. I want light coverage. I'm like, who is this girl? Like a few years ago I would have been like full coverage or nothing, and now I'm just kind of preferring the lighter coverage. I just feel like it looks better on my skin. It makes my skin look way healthier. I'm going to go through some of the products Bare Minerals sent out because I think these look really pretty. The first one here is their eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. Look at the packaging, isn't that so adorable? And this is the Floral Utopia collection. This is what the shadows look like, and they're so pretty. They're really, really summery and spring and fresh. There's quite a lot of pigmentation to them. Ooh, that middle shade is really nice. It kind of like shifts between like an orange and a pink shade. Then I'm going to go in with my Naked Reloaded, and I'm going to take the shade Boundaries from my crease, and this is like the only shade that I've been using for ages. I'm going to take a tiny bit of that pink shade then, or magenta shade, on the same brush. I'm just going to pop that through my crease as well. I don't think I need to zoom up for you guys. It's really very basic. I'm not going to be doing like an extremely outrageous eye look today. I'm just going to pop the pink in over. Ooh, that's super pretty. Just want to do something like really light and fresh. I'm going to go in with this shade up here. I'm just going to pop that into the inner part of my eye. Gonna take the cream shade, I'm gonna pop that into the inner corner just to brighten that up. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush here and I'm gonna go in with this dark purple. I'm gonna create like a smoky wing. Okay, next up I'm going to conceal, and I'm taking the EX1 Delete Fluid Concealer. Really like these. I have the shade 2.0 and 3.5. 3.5 is more pinky and 2.0 is more yellow. So mixed together they both brighten and they counteract any darkness as well. Just put the more yellow shade on first, and then I just put the more pinkier, or more, it's not pink, it's like a honey kind of colour. So I'm just going to blend it underneath my eye with my beauty blender. I feel like that concealer is really light underneath my eyes. I will fix it in a minute. I'm going to bronze / contour my face. This is the Soleil Tan de Chanel. And I know a lot of people wanted to see this bad boy in action in a video, so I said I would do that now. I just bronze up the tops of my face. I just take it on a stippling brush as well. This one is the F15 again from Sigma. Sigma do like my favourite face brushes ever. I'm going to take the Beauty Bakery baking powder, and I'm going to use this to set the rest of my face, because obviously I worked with an awful lot of cream products today. And I just want to like set all the cream products in place. I usually use a powder puff to do this, but I have no idea where my powder puff is gone. I've like searched everywhere. It'll turn up when I least expect it, I guess. I'm going to take my lace powder from Makeup Revolution just to brighten up underneath my eyes. I'm going to bake with this for a mere moment. So I'm going to just wipe that away. So just to finish the under eye area, I'm going to take Boundaries again on that same brush. I'm just going to apply that underneath my lower lash line. From inner to outer. And from the Bare Minerals palette, I'm just going to take the dark purple shade here, and I'm just going to pop that on the lower lash line, just kind of on the outer corner, to kind of match up where I blended out my eyeliner. So I'm going to add a bit of bronzer to my face, and I'm taking this one from Wet n Wild. This is the Iconic Bronzer, and this is the limited edition one, You're Dragging Me Down. It's from the Game of Thrones release that they had there recently. I'm just going to go over my bronzer with a big fluffy brush so I'm not applying too much. And apply some brown eyeliner to my waterline. This is Costa Riche from MAC. Roller Lash mascara, and I'll just apply a couple of coatings on that, and then I'm going to put on some lashes as well, I think. I'm just going to wait for that mascara to dry before I put my lashes on. These are the new blushes from Bare Minerals, so they sent out 4, and I'm kind of excited to see what these are like. One here in I'm Freesia. These are powder blushes as well. Oops. So that's really, really bright. Then we have Bloomin' Poppy, which looks like that. That's kind of like a terracotta shade. I have this one here called Tropical Orchid. Wouldn't that be just absolutely beautiful and really deep skin tones? I guess like anyone could wear it, but isn't that so pretty? And then the final one I have here is Lover's Rose. Probably the one I'm going to go with because I think that looks nice. So that's what the blushes look like. They're really bright, really nice. And also, just in case you guys are wondering, I'm not sponsored to make this video. I just really wanted to try out the new Bare Minerals collection that they sent me. And I just thought this would be a good video to test it out in. So I'm just going to apply some blush to my cheeks. Shade is so pretty. They did also send me out these brushes as well, which I completely forgot about up until just that moment there, which looks like this. They look like this. Aren't they just amazing? Why didn't I use them today? Damn, maybe in another video we'll give them a try. Raging over that. And then they also sent me this, what is this? Highlighting stick. Oh, sugar. I bet this is like cream. I can't use that either. Isn't the packaging just so adorable? This is in the shade Indigo Girl. Yeah, I knew it would be a stick. So we can't use that because I've just powdered my face. but I'll give you as a swatch of it. Oh, that looks so pretty. It's like a purple shade. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pop it in my inner tear duct. Why not? It has kind of like purple sparkles in it as well. I don't think I'd like that as a highlight. Definitely not. But in my inner tear duct, it looks so pretty. I'm going to use my new Essence palette, the one I've been loving lately. I'm going to take the highlight out of this. I just love this highlight. So finally I'm going to do my lips, and I'm just going to line my lips with Nude Suede Shoes lip liner from NYX. This is what I've been using all the time, and no matter what lip product I wear, this is the lip liner I use. Well, lately anyway. It's like my lips, only better. Finally I have lip products here, and these are again from Bare Minerals, and they sent me out 4 shades. Oh my god guys, look at the colours of these. Oh my god, they're so pretty. We have this one here which is called Hibiscus by Biscus. The next one is Put Tulips Together, My Sweet Peony, and then the bottom one is Orchiding Around. Aren't they just absolutely gorgeous shades? I'm so obsessed with them. Which one will we go with? Oh, that's really pigmented. Ooh, I need a mirror. Oh, they smell and taste delicious. I just got some in my mouth accidentally. Look how opaque they are. They're glosses. They're so pretty. That one is Hibiscus by Biscus. So I'll swatch them all for you. That's what they look like. Aren't they so pretty? And they're really, really, really pigmented. I'm going to try in the Sweet Pea shade because I do really like this one, but I just want to try another one. Okay, so I'm going to put on the pink My Sweet Peony because I just think that's so pretty. And I've just filled in my whole lip with my lip liner. They're extremely thick, and I feel like if my hair got caught in them, good night, it'd pull it out of its root. Okay, so I think that is the entire makeup look for today. I'm actually super impressed with loads of those products that I tried today. I really like the palette and stuff like that. The Bare Minerals stuff was really, really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys for watching today, and I'll talk to all you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.